Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are. This is Focus TV. If you've not subscribed, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. But I've told you here, we don't insult, we say it as it is. Kofinti and I say, I said, na ono, na oja lumba, oja ko chat kudu fusukwa. Ja no oja ni nanye bibia, o se ne bibi nti na ma ne oja ko chat kudu fusu. But as I'm ne bro. But o subscribe ya, subscribe. For comment bra. Wa do ntre bia for bra. Me say ha ye ni atem. Sa insult no yin bo. We are trying to do all our best. Creative art and referring to my Efra. Creative art and referring to my Efra. That is what we at Focus TV are trying to do. But then Frank also. But you can follow me on Facebook. It's Frank also. The same Frank also on Facebook. And then be part of this beautiful family. But I initially did not like that Lumba Kofinti opens up. Kofinti na dia betu say assassin. Not that the lumba you be no shara nyada no. Nyada on nyada de lumba nyina ne say na ono. De no yada pa de net champion. O se no net champion and na e fun pa obi a no person to nyum. O pese na bra bo ne bibia se de net champion. Na net champion no yada pa. Na that lumba de no shada nka ho sa no shada mfini sa. Highlights of Fiji has shared his initial perception of the late Daddy Lumba. In a discussion shared, Kofinti revealed that he wasn't originally a fan of that legend musician Daddy Lumba. I said, "You bo on man, because shame na esu anyam to. You so many artists are. On that because one episode yes no so me share chat ko for su. Me share Michael Jackson, me share Sarkodie, me share Shatawale, me Stone Boy. Also no, there was nothing like that. There was nothing like say all share Daddy Lumba because now. Explaining his reason, Kofinti said his early dislike for that Lumba stemmed from an old rift between him, that Lumba, and the Net Champion, following the dissolution of the Lumba Brothers group. Also, the man who dragged that Lumba now on said that on feeling his arm. Bra no more Lumba Brothers, and the Net Champion, that Lumba ne or Momo Kano, na na free Lumba, me motiti. So hormona o satija ko di fosu na isi ya da bia meka sa boy obi beye ade bia no na asekere o obi beye ade bia no na asekere o. Did you find out from Lumba why he decided to move out of the Lumba Brothers group? He didn't find out, just that because of eguninti wofu ujado utan. You see that I don't know what problem. There are so many people who have that problem. Ya ngufo no ma and now no can say Omuja Shatawale because he dislikes Stonebwoy. Tell you, there are people who just hate Shatawale because Oka Stonebwoy wants him. Abra Stonebwoy and the canon wants him, but there are people like that. Omusha and the partner Papa don't know David. They just hate him because he dislikes somebody. Also because of the dissolution. Omugu Lumba Brothers na Lumba on the fundamental good unity no hard man of Lumba. I wasn't a fan of Lumba. Actually, I was a fan of Nene Champion because it got a time when the two were not on good terms. So my mother was an Champion fan, so I automatically became his fan. He said, I say, yeah, question. Don't say, yeah, Pentecost. Yeah, we have to. Mammy, Pentecost. So I'm sorry na ya woman to me Pentecost no. Me nyini na eja. Ensan beti ma body I don't know. But sa na akwe. O se na o maame ne champo fan kese. Na baka me wo no maame fan automatically obey the fan because definitely wo fi na ko ba na definitely you also have to be part of it. It was sa na man be ne champo fan. But just on no answer no ne champo ya de ne jam to be fan no. Or became fan of Nechampo because the mother was a fan of Nechampo. Kofinti then disclosed that suddenly changed his narrative about Lumba. See, Bibi and a bebo mu. Yako Bibi the bebo man say, or better than Lumba fan, not say, no bad backing vocalist. Say Lumba Boso Bia Kofinti must be there, a must. My baby the chaps must be there because so Bia Lumba Kubu Bia, Mia way Bia. I've told you, said I was close to Robert Fadanko for 7 years, but I had for not attending you. It is sanity. According to him, He started listening to Lumba's song when a co-tenant identified that he could sing like the high life legend. There was this woman in our house. In our house, she loved playing Lumba's song. So when she plays the song, she tells me to listen carefully because I sing like him. Ɔsɛ na ɔne maame bi te fie baako. Na maame no so yada chance kodo fusu da Lumba. Maame no feel no. Ti da bia da Lumba nim no bo. Na da ko maame no bo nim na ka che chale Kofi ti bra 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 bra. Okura wo de wa to no. O to se da Lumba. E chade na won tie da Lumba nim na won sua na won to no se Lumba to na. Na okura wo ne de o so pedum. Chade ntina. Ɔsesa maame no ena ye kaka sa ansem na man to na koma so. Ama na be chance kodo fusu e fam. And because I love music, I started listening to Lumba's song. And that was how I became a fan. Even when I used to sing Lumba's song, people would praise me or still claim that I am a fan of Nana Champo. Or say, wako baby wako show no. Aya, that's ya mekai Odakidi and the yen show. Abetu Lumba ni mo ase o kumase. Odakidi released the album, one of his albums. Kofinti KK Fosu, a lot of artists ever performing, and he performed one of Lumba's song. Now when I say before president, say oh chalo to him chalo no you good you say I say hey stop I'm a Nana Champo fan. I'm not Lumba fan. No what that's why I'm telling you now. Upo bia me bia dan para Nana Champo. According to Kofinti and Akasa. But also subscribe to Focus TV. This is where we educate. We entertain a one fan. We are making drink a career for him. Meanwhile, and I said before born a Basuque, and I said, oh, you sing like that Lumba. No, I said, no, I'm not a Champo fan. But see, there are people who don't change their mind. In as much as the Bible say, Okwasia, and then Sanadino. There are so many people, they never change their mind. If they love something, they love it to the end. According to me, he started listening to Lumba's song. Okay, and according to also, my men and a boy, but let me tell you something. There was no show that Lumba could born lately. Now Kofinti and back on. Kofinti became fan of Lumba and became part of Lumba in all his shows. So be a chance to do for school Kobiano. Now Kofinti will be. Because I told you, man, I said the voice no crano looked like more or less Lumba. Almost a Lumba or unique voice. Or the original there, but not a close to. So Bia na Kofinti Lumba Kubiano, na Kofinti backing vocalist for Lumba. Sometimes he even does more of the songs before Lumba will come on stage. No abetuaso. And about him say Lumba naturally the dairy. Now my main guy say candlelight na Amaso Kumase na organizers and say na Omanya sponsors. Accra the Munya sponsors but Kumase the Omanya sponsors candlelight for Lumba day. You forget to watch and Emma so a trip. Then so many sponsors. But I Focus TV, subscribe. But only be now Obia or a fan of Nana Champo ended up coming to be a fan of that Lumba, coming to be part of Lumba. Ultimately, show Lumba's history, his stories, is here. When it comes to backing vocalist, ultimately in film, he became part of him. And then I'm not gonna say, Kofinti Kobe Bia, no Kobosho Bia. Or performing 1 or 2 or 3 of Lumba songs. Or performing. And he's the only person who says Lumba, and then you beef when it comes to say, I go performing or tin warning. Go and check the archives. Lumba will be Kofi Supreme na no the go court because Omunya impersonation. Somebody did in your age in Omunya. But Kofi one of the people are one of the persons or no or did Lumba to Numa. Number Anthony wanted that. Go and check. Thanks so much. I have Focus TV. You can be a fan of somebody and change your mind. Kofinti finally came to change his mind. That's why he was a fan of the Nana Champo. No, Jack Lumba United. Thanks so much. I have Focus TV. Need Franco. So subscribe to this channel. We say every time I tell you something you didn't know about. Kofinti go in Unitunia or the Lumba no eposua Lumba unstoppable. That never. Also, one of the artists or backing Lumba when it comes to live performance. Let me put it that live performance. Then backing us and say, also, live performance. Be a Lumba could be 80 to 90% of Kofinti can. No, 80 to 90% Kofinti. No, directly. Go and check the live shows I won't say Lumba performing now. you'll see him there. Thanks so much. My name is Franco. This is Focus Series. Stay safe and stay out of trouble. Subscribe if you don't subscribe. Come in with your comment. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Franco. Bye.